I'm unboxing my latest purchase from Target Sports USA. I've got 3 different types of ammunition here. Some pistol, some rifle, all center fire. Hopefully this doesn't give away my address. There we go. This is my new EDC round. It's plus P. I've never shot plus P ammo before, so I'll shoot some of them just to see what it feels like. Though not a whole lot, because obviously these are about 80 cents each, so these are expensive. Get this out of the way. Alright, here is my 7.62 by 54R ammunition. It's soft point. Wow, they do not have that much information on here. Where is the information? There we go. It's a boat tail load, and if I ever go big game hunting, I will put this in my Mosin Nagant and give it a shoot. Is this soft point? I believe it is. Oh, hollow point. That's what I'm looking for, because I don't want to use an FMJ on an elk. I want that big boy to go down fast. The faster the elk goes down, the faster it gets eaten. Look at that. I got some 7.62 by 39 non-corrosive. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I'm very happy with it, actually. Looks like all of my ammo is here. Hopefully my address is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Well, I got everything I bought, so that's always a good sign. Oh, these are wrapped up. Only the best from Wolf. No plastic cases, just biodegradable paper. Thanks for looking out for us, Wolf. Holy Moses. Maybe if I just gnawed it with a knife. There we go. So, hollow point 7.62 by 39. I may deer hunt with this. I may see how that goes. 7.62 by 39 was not the best deer round. It will work. I'm curious to see what the results will be. So if you like this video, give me a like and a subscribe. It helps keep me motivated. If you thought this video was a North Korean dumpster fire, then leave a comment. And check out my blog with the link in the description below.